Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library is Assertion Failed. This is the problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay. Then go to the first step for uninstall the Microsoft Visual C++. Okay. You will click the get check the search the control panel. Click to open. Click to the uninstall your program. Scroll down to see the Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 into 86-bit. Then right click to uninstall. Okay. Then uninstall to you will go to the Chrome browser. You will search the Microsoft Visual C++, click to enter. Then see the official website and you will set it to scroll down for see the 64-bit or 86. Then I selected the 86. You was Windows for the 64 to get download the 64. Then see the downloading. Then this is the Microsoft with Visual C++ is already version are not supported. Not supported problem issues to you will get uninstalled to reinstall. We will set it the this file set it to we will click to agree to get installed. Okay. The already I installed it. Get installed to they check this error for this problem issues were solved. But anyone doubt to this installing problem issues to you will print the command. Then thank you for watching.